In this video, we will explain some of the questions which I already given in the second classes. The first question was find the value of n such that np5 equals to 42 np3. Now we have np5 equals to 42 np3. Now by the formula of permutation or np5 formula, we get n factorial by n minus 5 factorial equals to 42 n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. As it is given, we know npr equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial, right? So from both sides n factorial is cancelled out, so remaining 1 by n minus 5 factorial equals to 42 1 by n minus 3 factorial, which is implies n minus 3 factorial by n minus 5 factorial equals to 42. Now by factorial theory of factorial, we can expand n minus 3 factorial in following manner, which is n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. Now n minus 5 factorial and n minus factorial will be cancelled out. So after expanding and multiplying, we get this relation n factor n square minus 7n minus 30 equals to 0. By middle term theory, n square minus 10n plus 3n minus 30 equals to 0, which gives n minus 10 into n plus 3 equals to 0. So either n minus 10 equals to 0 or n plus 3 equals to 0, which gives n equals to 10 or minus 3. Now we know that n is always a positive integer, so the value of n cannot be negative. So n not equals to minus 3, thus required solution n equals to 10. Okay. Now the second question was how many numbers divisible by 5 and lying between 3000 and 4000 can be formed by using the digits 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 when repetition is not allowed. Now as the numbers lying between 3000 and 4000, all the numbers are lying between 3000 and 4000 are a 4-digit numbers, right? So and they always should be or must be starts with 3. First position is 3 থাকতে হবে. They must start with the first position 3. Also as the numbers is divisible by 5, since the numbers is divisible by 5, then the last digit must be 5 or 0, but we don't have a 0 digit in the questions, so the last place can be filled up by only one way, which is 5. So we see that the 4-digit numbers, in the 4-digit numbers, the first position is filled up by only one way, 3, and the last position is only filled up by only one way, which is 5. So there are only 2 vacant places which can be filled up by only, after leaving 3 and 5, only 4 digits left, which is 4, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 places can be filled up in 4 digits 4, 6, 7 and 8 in 4p2 ways. Thus required number of 4-digit numbers will be 4p2, and 4p2 formula 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial equals to 24 by 2 equals to 12. Okay. Now the third question was how many permutation can be formed by the letters of the word vowels, then when each word begins with 0, O and ends with L, and second question was all vowels come together. Now for the first part, the words vowels has 6 different letters, which is V, O, W, E, L and S, 2 vowels and 4 consonant. Now as here we have to permute all the numbers, taking all the digit, all the letters of the words. So here the second formula can be used of the permutation. Now as the digits or as the permutation, the formed word will begin with O, then keeping first position O fixed and end with L, then keeping first and last position fixed, the remaining 4 position. As there are 6 words, then we have 6 digits, right? That is 6 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now first places can be filled up by only one, which is O, and last places can be filled up by only one, which is L, right? Thus remaining 4 places can be filled up by 4 digits, 4 letters given, which are V, W, E and S, right? So there are 4 places and available letters are V, W, E, S, right? So the remaining 4 position will be occupied by remaining 4 letters in 4p4 ways by the formula, second formula, 4p4 ways, which is 4 factorial. Hence 4 factorial, value of the 4 factorial is 24. Thus required answers will be 44. Now for the second question, it is told that all vowels come together. Now there are here only 2 vowels is given, which are O and E for the second part, which is O and E. Okay, so O and E always be together, একসঙ্গে থাকবে. So leaving O and E, the 4 consonants are V, W, S and L, right? 4 consonants is available. Now we can take O and E as one letter. Okay, so O and E, taking O and E as one letter, one group of vowels. So remaining, so one letter and 4 consonant V, W, S and L. So there are total 4 plus 1 letter available. So 4 plus 1, which is 5 letter, can be permuted in 5 P5 equals to 5 factorial ways. Now each of these 5 factorial ways, O and E, they can permute themselves in 2 ways, 2p2 ways, right? O and E can permute in 2p2 ways. So as the 2 events occurring in 2 different successively with 5 factorial and 2 factorial ways, hence the total number of required permutations will be 5 factorial and 2 factorial, 120 into 2 is 240. Now remember, if the question is given like that all vowels do not come together. So if there is a question who is given that all vowels do not come together, so দুটো ভাওয়েল একসঙ্গে আসবে না, এটা বলতে চাইছে। তাহলে then we have total number of permutations of 6 V, O, W, E, L, S. So 6 letters can be permute each other in 6p6 ways, which is 6 factorial, which is 720. Now in these 720 words or 720 arrangements, some of the letters have vowels together, or some of the words have vowels together, some of the words does not have vowels together. Now we find that the number of words which have vowels together is 240, right? Thus the number of words which do not have vowels together, the total number of words minus the number of words which have vowels together, right? So 720 minus 240 equals to something 480, right? Which will be the answer. So this question is not given, but you have to remember this. Now the fourth question was, find the number of arrangements that can be made with the letters of the word mathematics. And the second question is, in how many of them do the consonant come together? How many of them have? The same question as vowels, right? But here in the question vowels, there are all letters are different, but here some of the letters has comes twice or thrice. Okay, so let's see. The word mathematics has in total 11 letter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. With M comes twice, T comes twice, A twice, and rest are all different. From the formula of permutation, when all the digits or all the things are not different, then the total number of arrangement will be 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial 2 factorial. The numbers which are alike, right? 2 2 2. So 2 factorial these numbers will be divided and gives the value 4989600. Now for the question that the consonant come together, right? So if the consonant remain all together, then we treat those 7 consonant of which M is twice, T is twice as one letter, right? 7 consonant, we can take 7 consonant as one letter. Then the remaining letters are 4, like remaining vowels, 4 vowels with remaining, where A is twice and all the letters are different with the one group of consonant. Hence total number of letters will be 4 plus 1 5. We can form words in 5 factorial by 2 factorial ways. এই 2 factorial টা আসছে কোথা থেকে? For giving having a twice, right? 120 by 2 equals to 60 ways. But the consonants can arrange similar ways. The vowels can for the question vowels, the vowels, 2 vowels can arrange themselves in 2 factorial ways. Here also the 7 consonant can be arrange themselves in 7 factorial by 2 factorial by 2 factorial. This 2 factorial comes for having M twice and T twice, right? So 7 into 720 which is gives the 5040 divided by 4 equals to 1260 ways. Hence the total number of arrangement where the consonants always remain together is this 60 into 1260, which gives 75600, right? Okay. And the last question was, in how many ways 3 boys and 5 girls can be arranged in a row so that no 2 boys sit together? So in this question there are total 5 girls. So 5 girls we can take as girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, girl 4 and G5. Okay. Now as 3 boys is given, boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, right? Now these 3 boys cannot be together, একসঙ্গে আসতে পারবে না. So they can be placed in between 2 girls. 1 boys can be placed in between 2 girls. Now between 2 girls there are places, first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Also here and here, the top left and top right. So total number of places between the 5 girls is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these 6 places can be filled up by these 3 boys. These 3 boys can be sitting in any one of these 6 places, right? So there are 6 places and 3 boys is given, so they can be sit in 6p3 ways, right? In these 6p3 ways, the 5 girl 1 2 3 4 5 can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways or 5p5, which is 5 factorial. So 6p3 into 5p5 equals to 6p3 into 5 factorial, which will be the value of this after expanding. This value will be the required value. Here see that the 5 girls will sit in a row in 5 places in 5p5 factorial ways. Okay, but the total number of places between 5 girls is 6, which I have seen that, which we already seen that. Here we see that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in these 6 places 3 boys will sit, so that no 2 boys will sit together. In 6 with 3 boys, thus required number of arrangement will be 14400. Okay. Now next I have given some homework. So you guys try this. The answers will be given later. Also in the third classes I have given some MCQs. This answer will be given later. So try this yourself. Okay.